Oh boy, look at this. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to do, for the first time ever, I'm going to do a new apartment tour. I thought that would be something fun. 2020 was a really rough, which I'm quite sure was rough for tons of people. If you didn't go through anything crazy, I mean, good for you, but it was a pretty rough year for myself and for my kids. So it's nice to be able to start the new year off with a new place. We feel absolutely blessed to have this new place and this new home. And I'm so excited I get to share this with you guys. I'm hoping to make more videos. That's part of my New Year's resolutions. I can't even speak. Making more videos and growing my channel. And so here's to the first video of the new year, which is an apartment tour. So if you're interested in seeing what my new place looks like, stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I totally was lazy and didn't want to walk down the stairs, but we have exactly 20 steps to get to our apartment, and from there we have this really nice little patio area. It was actually a lot bigger than I expected, but I'll have to show you guys that later. Let's go right into this inside the house. So when you first walk in, it's right here into my dining room area on your right, and then to the left is the living room, which is to me very small. I honestly am having a hard time trying to figure out what to do with this space, but I kind of have an ideal, and I look forward to sharing some more videos with you guys of each room being decorated or doing like a room by room, you know, decoration ideals or whatever. But yeah, that's my dining room area, and I really like the floors, and this apartment gets really great lighting. Today just happened to be like a lot of overcast, so I like the open kitchen wall here. I'm not sure if I'm going to do any stools right there, but I thought that would be a great idea for breakfast time with the kids on, you know, the weekends and stuff. So the kitchen is fairly big, enough space for me to cook and definitely make more videos, cooking videos. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love to cook, and I was definitely inspired to be cooking in this kitchen, you guys. Like, I love this space. I love the countertops. We have a nice dishwasher, garbage disposal. I don't know, it's just me and the kids, so this is more than enough space for me to cook a lot of healthy meals. And as you can see, there's my cookbook I've been working on, and brought a little bit of the bay with me with that Earl Stevens wine. So then we have our refrigerator and freezer here, and it's actually a really nice refrigerator and freezer. I just didn't go through everything. I just wanted to kind of like just show you guys a sneak peek of my place, so you guys can get a good idea. I know I mentioned on Instagram that I would be doing an apartment tour, so I just wanted to just give you guys a little sneak peek. But yeah, we have two closets here. The second one here is going to be a closet probably just for storage. Right now just has a couple of boxes from, you know, the move or whatever that I need to start putting away. And then we have a little linen closet, so I'll be storing like my linens, paper towels, little things for the house in here. And then when you turn to the left, we have our bathroom. Hi guys. Pretty big size bathroom. I'm loving the shower. We have a bathtub. It's humongous. I actually fit in that. It's so crazy to say that because you guys know I'm always talking about my weight loss surgery, like literally. And I'm tall too, so that tub is humongous, and I absolutely love it. But yeah, pretty decent size bathroom. Loving that. And now let me show you guys the bedrooms. So here is the kids' bedroom. It is a little tight space for 3 kids, but I plan on getting a bunk bed and then putting in a twin size bed. And it's a pretty basic room. Has a heater, a ceiling fan, nice little closet, enough space. And then this will be my room here. It's a little bit bigger, but same thing. I love that they come with that the apartment has a ceiling fan. You know, those summer nights in here in the Central Valley, it gets pretty hot. I love that this room gets a lot of light. I was very confused at why this room had 2 closets, but being super girly as I am, I like the 2 closets. And there's not much of a view. We are very close to the freeway, and yeah, I'm loving this space. I hope to share some more videos with you guys. I just need a little bit more time to get situated. We have a lot of things going on. Moving is just me and the kids, so it's taking us a little bit longer. But let me show you guys as I walk you guys out of the apartment and show you the little outside space, and show you something I'm really excited about. So here's that patio space that I was talking about. I could do a lot with this. I'm thinking about having like a little table and chair set out here, but I also like plants, and I really wanted to start my garden. And not only that, but like literally I can look outside my window and watch my kids play. That is absolutely great for them. This apartment complex has so many different features. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel. I look forward to making lots more videos, especially with this place. I've had a ton of ideas, so I need to just get it together, figure out what I'm gonna do. But again, thank you for watching this video. Blessings in 2021, and have a good day. Bye. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I was kind of